Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a party in Snake.io. You can easily join a party in Snake.io so that you can play with your friends and enjoy multiplayer fun together. First of all, launch the Snake.io game on your device and make sure that the game is updated to the latest version. Once you are done, go ahead and tap on the party button at the top left corner, and then on the next page, in order to join a party, type down the party code that your friend shared with you on the right hand corner. Make sure to type in the code correct and then click on join After clicking on join, you will be able to join into the party that your friends invited you on. You'll see a waiting screen showing all the party members once done. So that's how you can easily join a party in Snake.io, so that now you can play and enjoy the game with friends and compete for the top spot together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.